In order to book Owls for the next term, please log on to your ParentPay account. Once you've logged on, go to Active Payment Items and you will see a list of offers available to you, including Owls for the next term. Click on the day of the week you would like to book. Then Book Sessions. You will now see a calendar. Please click on the first date of the month. Now you'll be given the choices of what you would like to book. You can book to 5 p.m, to 5 p.m. after a club, to 6 p.m, to 6 p.m. after a club, and the amount for the full term is shown as well. Please select your option and then OK. Then go to Book Selected Sessions. At this point you have two options. You can confirm and pay later, or you can confirm and pay. If you choose to confirm and pay the full amount for the whole term, these items will go into your basket and you'll be able to pay as normal. If you choose to confirm and pay later, we would ask that you pay at least 50% so that a whole half term of the booking is covered. Once you have placed this booking, you will see an error at the top or a warning at the top that says there are no sessions available to book for this club, and that is displayed if you have chosen to pay later, just to show that you can't duplicate your booking. It shows you here that your current balance is in arrears. If you would like to book another day, go back to your active payment items, find the day of the week that you would like to book for, book sessions, again click the day of the week for that month and the session you would like, click OK, and then book selected sessions. Again, I'm going to confirm and pay later for this example. Once you've made all your selections, if you again go back to your active payment items, you will see what you have selected and the balance. Once you've picked all of your options and to pay your 50%, if you go back to view, you can at this point put in the amount you would like to pay and add it to your basket. If I do the same with the other option, you can choose to make a payment of at least 50% and add it to your basket. Then if you go to your basket, you will be able to make those payments. And then on the previous screen where it showed you how much you were in arrears, once you've made the payment, that item will be deducted and you'll then see how much you have left to pay. Once you've completed this, you will be able to see historical payment items, and that will show your bookings for the term ahead. If you have any issues with paying at all, please contact GSAL Owls at gsal.org.uk and we will try and help you. You can also get in touch with our fees department at fees@gsal.org.uk if you would like to pay with tax-field childcare.